Hey guys, welcome back to Basil Chic. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I reorganized all of my makeup and skincare items. So I used to keep my makeup right here in this drawer in the bathroom vanity, and I love this system, but the drawer kept falling, the bottom of the drawer kept falling off, and we kept gluing it and stapling it, and finally my husband, after the third time, was like, Steph, you can't keep your makeup in this drawer anymore, just to make our lives like a little bit easier. So he actually suggested that I put everything in the little white cabinet that we have next to our vanity, and I love that idea because I've been wanting to redo it anyways. So we decided that I'm going to turn that into all of my skincare and makeup products, and I love how it turned out. I'm first going to share with you all the products that I use to organize my makeup and my skincare with, and then I'm going to show you exactly how I organized it. So I got all of these products from the Container Store, and I did that for three main reasons. The first reason is I have two Container Stores 30 minutes away from me, so purely by convenience. The second reason is it's completely customizable. This is only a fraction of all the acrylic containers that the Container Store really has to offer. They have so many different options and they all fit together, and I love the fact that I can customize it to my own makeup or skincare needs. Love that. The third reason is because they are more inexpensive than other options out there. So I know Glambox is another really popular option, but it's not customizable and it was double the price, and I'm not going to be moving this stuff around. So I opted to get a more inexpensive version. It's not cheap by any means, don't get me wrong, but it is better priced than a lot of what's out there. So this is the top drawer. This is actually one big drawer. I like it to keep all of my eyeshadows in here and my gel eyeliner, and I actually have two dividers in here, as you can see. One's going vertical, one's going horizontal. It fits everything perfectly. That is the top drawer. In this next section down, I have these four smaller drawers that I placed together. In this bottom drawer, I have all of my blushes, and I actually kind of broke the mold here because I store my blushes upside down. This way I can read and see the color much more easily. Above that, we have my bronzers and highlighters. These are some of the things I use, but not every day, aside from the eyeshadow primer. I use that every day. Here's where I keep all of my mascaras and my under eye concealer, because I use that after my mascara, and all of my eyeshadow sticks. Below that, I have another large drawer. In here is all of my foundations and my face powders. On the very bottom drawer, I have all of my makeup brushes. I hesitated about organizing them this way because I prefer them standing up, but I lined the bottom with a paper towel that goes up the side, if you can see that, which is very important because this way it just makes it a lot easier to clean. And aside from that, it makes it just as easy to find all of my makeup brushes. I also keep my eyebrow pen and my eyeliner pen in here. On the top shelf, I put all of my skincare, and like I said, I'll link these two containers below, but I've just basically took two of the same acrylic containers from the Container Store, put them together. There's nothing much to it, it's more like a tray, but in the back there's little compartments that things can go into. So in the back I have all my face sprays, and I just organize everything up here by type. So what I use in the morning is over on the right, behind that's mask because I don't get to that too often, and then on the other side are my moisturizers, glycolic acid, and my oils, and a serum because I get that, you know, I get to that the most often. And then I put the taller things in the back, the shorter things up front. So really arranged it by how I use it, and I like that I can move it around and fit more in there if need be. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed how I organized all of my makeup and my skincare items. I hope that I got straight to the point for those of you that like short videos, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.